This is Vicki Walker on behalf of ExpertVillage. We're continuing our work on the trim around the outside edge of the sleeping bag. We had continued around the top edge with the trim, and now we'll move on down the side and to the bottom. I've pinned it, and we're covering the raw edges where the ribbon ended on the top section. This is a lot of fabric and ribbon right here, so I'm being very cautious not to break the ribbon and reinforcing this top edge. I suspect that this little sleeping bag will be used a lot by little girls playing with baby dolls, and I don't want it to come loose on them. So I will sew the trim all the way down the side and then around the bottom, and in the next clip we'll be attaching a decorative bow on the side, and in a future clip we'll also be discussing other accessories for baby dolls that you might be interested for your little girl's baby dolls.